Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi RS3 carbon Vorsprung finished in Mythos Black. This RS3 features the 2.5 litre TFSI petrol engine paired with the Tronic automatic gearbox and Quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering a very impressive driving experience. It does sit nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels, and it features darkened matrix LED headlights which light up the road nicely. In the boot you will find 321 litres of space. You have a nice wide opening, allowing you to easily load things in and out of the vehicle. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have the incredible black leather interior with the contrasting red stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have the Alcantara wrapped multifunction flat top and bottom steering wheel. Up top you'll find the Panoramic Sunroof, allowing sunlight to flood the interior, and with the front seats you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. You also have your RS and performance buttons. Centered here in the dashboard you have the touchscreen MMI, providing you with access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively in the media section you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You have the Bluetooth telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls, and there's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to keep well connected with your phone. There's navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Throughout the interior you also have the fantastic SONOS sound system, which makes listening to music even more enjoyable. Below the touchscreen you have your dual zone automatic climate control. There are also heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the centre console you'll find a wireless phone charger along with your start engine stop button, automatic gear selector along with the electronic handbrake and 2 cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this brand new Audi RS3 carbon Vorsprung finished in Mythos Black. For more information please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.